Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to repair a footprint or a mar in the surface right after you put your product in. As you can see, there's a footprint right in the square of this tile. The axle was put on yesterday, so you have to wait 24 hours before you effect a repair, and then we will take it and you're going to sand the whole tile using the grout lines. Right, and repair like this, grout lines are your best friend. So if you'll do me a favor, just watch and I'm using a 400 grit, and all I'm doing is roughing in it so that I can just get the hydrophobic nature away from the axle. Tell the footprint is gone. Now I'm just going to wipe off the dust, wipe it down with alcohol, and we'll make the application next. Alright, we've sanded the surface and we're going to wipe it down, and then we're going to come back and we're going to clean it with alcohol. One of the things I didn't notice or didn't tell you before, put your tape. If you've got grout lines, put your tape inside the grout line. That's going to help you when you make your application. All right, just wipe all the dust off and then apply 81919 alcohol and clean. All right, next we're going to come and we're going to make the application with the 1500. Make sure you shake the bottle before you open. Just pour a little inside the container. And normally we don't want you to use these type of sponges, but in this quick fix application, it's perfect. Take it and you come straight down. And if you've done a good job of sanding, the axle will just lay out flat and you just repaired that tile. I want to make a couple of more strokes on it just to make sure I've got it all covered. No pressure on the pad, just let the axle do the work. Those lines should lay out in just a few minutes and you have a repaired surface.